Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm going to be going over 10 reasons why you should buy the Samsung Galaxy S10e. And we're starting right now. Alright guys, so the first reason why you want to get this Samsung Galaxy S10e is going to be the size. Now, I have the S10 Plus right here. And you can just kind of see the difference in the size. I mean, the 10 Plus is considerably larger. And while it's a great phone, it's really massive in the hand, whereas the S10e fits perfectly in the palm of your hand. It's one of the reasons why I love it. It's just a really good size. And I feel like it's a great size for men and women. A lot of times women will complain about the Plus phones because they're just so freaking large. So the 10e fits perfectly in your hand. It's a great screen size, and you still can do a ton with it. So that's our first reason why we say you should get this phone. The second reason is going to be the fingerprint scanner is a lot better. So on the 10 Plus, the fingerprint reader is in the screen right in the front, and a lot of people have had issues with it where you have to basically press your finger there a couple of times before it actually reads it and unlocks the phone, which can be irritating. Whereas on the 10e, the reader is actually on the power button on the right side. So all I have to do is put my finger right there and I'm unlocked. First time. I love that. Just how quick and easy it is to unlock the phone. Although it's awesome, you know, new technology, having the reader in the screen, it was so exciting until it was time to actually start using it. And basically the technology needs a little bit of work, but having it in the button works great. So for me, just the ease makes me love this phone a little bit more than my 10 Plus. Our next reason to buy this phone is you get some really premium features, one of which is facial recognition. So you are actually able to unlock the phone. Let's say you don't want to use a fingerprint reader, you could just use your face. And there's a cool feature, well, it's not a cool feature, most phones have this, but let's say the phone is down in your hand, just by bringing the phone up, it unlocks the phone, and it basically starts searching for your eyes, so it can unlock the phone for your eyes and your face. So having that extra security feature of the facial recognition, it's just a great extra precaution to have in case you don't want to just use a fingerprint reader. Sometimes your fingers have things on it, they're greasy, they're wet, whatever. Don't worry about it. Just bring the phone right up to your face. It's going to read it and it's going to automatically unlock. So that's our third reason, just having that premium feature built in of facial recognition. Now our fourth reason is going to be a really important feature, and I believe it's the reason why a lot of people have chosen this phone over the other S10 models. It's going to be the price. This phone, the starting price is $749.99. It is the least expensive of the S10 models. The one I got was $1,000 or a little bit over $1,000. But the 10e, it does again start at $750, and depending on where you get, you can get it for even less. So if you actually go to Metro PCS, or excuse me, Metro by T-Mobile, and you were to get a new line with them, you can actually get $100 off. And I believe you get this phone for $649. And then if you're moving a number over from a different carrier, you can get it for, I think, $549. So you can get this phone for, you know, almost the $500–600 price range, and you're getting a lot of premium features for that money. So I think price is just a really strong selling point. If you don't want to drop $1,000, maybe you want to drop, you know, less, but you want to get a really high-end phone, this is a great option to consider. Our next reason to buy this phone is going to be the storage. It does come with 128 gigabytes of internal storage. So you're getting a ton of storage, a ton out the gate. The average smartphone has about 32 gigs of internal storage, and then better phones will have 64, just a few, but to jump out the gate and get 128 gigabytes of internal storage, you're going to be set in terms of storing pictures, videos, contacts, you name it. You're going to be able to fill this phone up with all your important stuff. at 128 gigs of storage. So there is that. Our next reason to buy this phone are some other really high-end premium features like wireless power share. And let me just demonstrate how this works. So maybe you and your boyfriend or girlfriend or your spouse are out, and guess what, like their battery is starting to run low and you want to charge it, but you don't have a charger with you. But guess what, your S10e battery is nice and full, and you want to share some of that battery with them. No need to have any cables with you. All you have to do is swipe down and tap on wireless power share, and then you're going to take the phone, flip it over, and guess what, I can take my 10 Plus and I can just pop it right on there, and it's going to automatically start charging using the power from my 10e. So you have this really cool power sharing option that will allow you to share your power with any other phone that is compatible with wireless charging. So even if the other person has an iPhone, same thing, it will be compatible. So it's just really cool to be able to share your power without having to carry any extra cables. Just say, hey, oh man, my battery's a little low. Can I get some of your power? And guess what? Turn that feature on, flip that phone over, pop it on, and within seconds you're charging. So really cool feature there. Our seventh reason is going to be, it is available in 4 really cool colors. So you get some options to really, pick something that is unique to you and what you like. So it does come in Prism White, Prism Black, Flamingo Pink, and Prism Blue. So you actually get 4 really cool options. This is the blue, and I love the blue. As you can tell, I actually got both phones in the blue because to me that's my favorite one. But you get some options, which is always great. And with a nice case, you can really accessorize it well. Our 8th reason to purchase this phone is going to be, you get a wide angle rear camera, which is really cool. It will allow you to just really have some fun with your pictures. So you actually can use this button down here to go ahead and change the zoom, and again, you're just getting a wider camera that will allow you to get a lot more in the shot. And with a couple of tweaks, you can really set it up nice to do some really cool things. So that is our number 8 reason. You can get just a really premium camera that's going to allow you to take some incredible pictures, and that camera's got a lot of bells and whistles built in, and one of them being it's a wide angle camera. Our 9th reason is going to be Samsung Pay. I'm not sure if you guys have ever heard of this, but it is so far one of the best pay programs for phones. And I say that because Samsung Pay is accepted at more retailers than any other pay system out there. So Apple Pay, Google Pay, this one literally is the best. And the reason for this is, one, all you do is swipe up. And this is where you would add your credit card, or if you were at the grocery store, you would swipe up. Your cards will automatically show up there. You use your fingerprint to activate it. And then all you do is take your phone and you're going to tap it where you would normally slide your credit card. So basically, any restaurant or any place that you would go to shop that has a credit card slider, you can just take your phone and tap it in that same section, and it will automatically link up with the credit card you have on the phone, and you can pay right from the phone. The only restaurants, like, I just give you an example, like a Chipotle, for example, is a restaurant. It would be hard to use Samsung Pay because they don't have a terminal in front of you that you slide your card or you input the chip. They actually take your credit card and they slide it on their cash register. So there are some restaurants like that where you wouldn't be able to use this, but again, any restaurant that has a terminal right in front of you, where you would normally insert your card or you would slide it, you just take your phone and just tap it, and it'll automatically pay right from whatever card you have selected on your phone. So it's a great feature. You don't have to carry as many cards with you, and they actually give you points and discounts whenever you use the card. So even an added incentive right there. Our number 10 reason is going to be the software. So again, although you're getting the E version, you're not missing out on all the great things that the S10 has to offer. You're getting all the premium features that the regular S10 has and the S10 Plus, aside from some extra things with the camera lenses. So for example, you get the app Edge, which allows you to have shortcuts you can easily access from your phone. You do get the always on display as well. So whenever you turn that screen off, the time is going to show up. You can customize this to have it show different things. The wireless power share. You're getting all the premium features that you would normally see in a Samsung phone, just at a little bit of a discount because the price point is a little bit less. So that's our reason number 10. And what I'm going to mix in there as well is obviously is also actually, you know what, we're going to have to rename this video. It's not going to be 10 reasons, it's going to be 12 reasons, because you know what, we have an 11 and 12. I just thought about it as I'm in the video right now. This is awesome. So actually, I'm going to move on from number 10. Number 11 is going to be, you do have fast charging, and in the box it does come with a fast charging USB charger and the cable. So you have the ability to charge your phone super fast, which, like, I have to point this out because every phone doesn't do that. So that's definitely an awesome selling point of why you should buy this phone. And number 12 is going to be, you have wireless charging built in as well. Man, I could keep going with these numbers. Why stop at 10? And some of these are generic features, but I'm going to just keep naming off some things because, you know, one of these might be important to you. So 12 is going to be wireless charging, and it's actually fast wireless charging. So it's going to charge a lot faster than a lot of the other phones that do wireless charging. You do have to buy a fast wireless charger, but if you're willing to pay the money, you're basically able to charge your phone faster. 13 is you do have that water resistance. I believe it's IP68, or it might be a little bit higher, but basically you are able to you know, take it in the water with you, you know, and have some splashes, and you're not going to have any issues. So that's going to be our number 13. This phone is packed with a ton of features, and for the price and the value, I mean, it's a win. So I wanted to make this video because nobody's talking about this phone. Everybody's talking about the 10 Plus and the 10, and I don't want you to sleep on this phone, because if you're sort of on a budget and you don't want to spend $1,000 on a phone, but you do want all those great premium features, this is the phone to get. So I hope you guys may find this helpful. Do me a favor, leave me a comment in the comment section down below. I want to hear your thoughts. Tell me, what are your favorite reasons that I listed in the video? Which one is the strongest reason that makes you want to buy this phone? And what objections do you have? I'd love to hear anything that maybe you guys don't like about the phone, and just get those pros and cons out there. So leave that in the comment section down below. Two last favors to ask of you guys. Follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos, and also check out our new YouTube site. On the next page there is a green circle, and that's our new YouTube site, our second site called Tech Made Easy. Show us some love and subscribe on there. You're gonna find awesome content on that site as well, more tech related stuff, just with a different twist. So take a look at that. We appreciate you watching, guys. Again, like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Take care and have a good one.